Hello and welcome to stream. This video is all about how to study for the UPSC or IAS examination. If you ask me how to study for the UPSC examination, I would say don't study for the UPSC examination if you are in the following three categories. Number one is to complete the syllabus without understanding the syllabus and its content. Number two, reading newspapers just to gather information without analyzing it. And number three, for the sake of others and just for powers of the public servants. Okay, if you fall under these three categories, try to change yourself into a better person, and I will give you the tips and tricks to get yourself into a best person by neglecting these three things. Okay, fine. If you are not in this category, I am very much happy and I am eager that these upcoming time frames will help you in making your study very much better. Okay, fine. Let's see the first thing, just to complete the syllabus without understanding. See, UPSC is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Fine, sprint is a short term race, but marathon is a long term race, a run. Like in the same manner, UPSC syllabus is so much vast that you need at least a year or two to complete the whole syllabus and you to get yourself molded into the shape that UPSC needs. Fine, so everybody knows it is a three-stage examination: prelims, mains, as well as interview. So each and every student, mostly the UPSC aspirants, will start their preparation in July and till it will ends in May for up before the prelims. Okay, so you can split your study time into three phases. For example, a phase 1 in from July till November, and phase 2 from December till March, and the third phase which is from April to May. Fine, so in the first phase, that is from July to November, you can make your optionals as well as your GS paper, a part of the GS paper, well prepared, and from November till March you can focus more on your GS papers, and from April till May you can concentrate more on your prelims and revising of what you have studied. So this is one kind of phase of your preparation strategy. And for studying, I will make a separate video on it, because there are many strategies that you can follow. One strategy will work for somebody and others will make work for somebody. So there are so many strategies. Apart from it, you need to frame your own strategy if this is not apt for you, if this is not working for you. Fine, so I will make a separate video on it. You can go and search for that. Let's take up the next point. Don't move to the next topic if you are not very familiar with what you are reading. That is, if you are not very strong of what you are reading, that is your concept, don't skip it and move up to the next, or else just you are not completing it on time and just skip the topic with an intention that we can read at the last of our examination. That would be so disastrous for your preparation, because UPSC syllabus is so much vast that you can't finish it on time. So if you skip the main topics that you need to know in the last, at the end, at the beginning of your examination, it is very much difficult for you to again come to that particular point and get revise of it and get the concept into your mind. So don't skip on the topic, try to finish the particular topic as fast as possible and move up to the next point. So the next thing is, always keep this in mind of India's interest. Whatever you are studying with your syllabus or whatever you are studying for the UPSC preparation, always keep in mind how it's going to affect or improve or degrade India's interest. So these are the things that you need to keep in mind while studying your syllabus, that is the static part of UPSC examination. And here comes the dynamic part. Fine, reading newspaper just to gather information. If reading newspapers is so much important for UPSC examination, but if you are reading newspaper just to gather information without analyzing what it is, it's just a waste of time. So you need to always read the newspaper along with your syllabus. So your syllabus is very much important. For example, there is a news article about article 370 revocation by the president of Jammu and Kashmir. Fine. So it's related to your GS paper 2, that is polity and governance. So you need to make a mention of it, and you need to make notes on the basis of governance and polity. So that will help you in your mains preparation. So you need to be always keep your syllabus along with you while you are reading newspaper. That is very much important. And the same thing, India's interest. So whatever the news that you are studying, how it is going to affect the India's interest, that is very much important. For example, article 370, the same thing, how it's going to affect the internal politics of India, and how it's going to have an impact on the international relations. That is also you need to keep focus on how it's going to impact India. If it is going to impact, how we can rectify it, or else if it is going to upgrade it, how we can enhance it more. Like this, you need to always keep your newspaper articles in an analysis manner. If you do this, reading newspapers will be very much easy for you. So this is you need to keep in mind while reading newspaper, that is any of the dynamic parts apart from newspaper also. So the next thing is that for the sake of others and for power, if you are preparing UPSC just that it has so much powers, then great powers comes great responsibility. Like Spider-Man, all the civil servants have great powers, but their powers have been given to them to serve the nation, that is the serve the citizens of this nation, the elephant size Indian economy. Fine. If you think that you can rule over people with the help of civil service, then you are in a wrong position. Okay, so you are in a very much wrong thinking. You are given powers to serve the citizens of this nation. Okay, so you need to be very clear with this, and also not prepare for UPSC just for the sake of others, like that your dad has said you need to prepare for UPSC, or else your friend is preparing UPSC, so I also need to prepare UPSC. That is a very bad and blunder mistake in your life, because UPSC syllabus is so much vast. If you don't have an endogenic energy, that is an internal energy, you can't able to finish the syllabus. And UPSC syllabus is so much vast that you need to sit down for hours for your preparation. Okay, so if you don't have an internal interest, you can't able to concentrate. It is very much difficult for you to concentrate on the things. So before starting your preparation, try and sit back and analyze yourself, why I need to get into the study, why I need to enter into civil services. So very clear about it, and then enter into the UPSC preparation. Fine. So these are the things that you need to keep in mind. From the very beginning, I am saying India's interest. So what is India's interest? Is nothing but the political, economical, social, geopolitical, environmental, ecological and technological interest of India. So whatever you are studying, whether it is a syllabus or else it is a reading newspaper, you need to be very concentrate of a particular thing that you are reading, how it's going to impact on these aspects of India. So you need to be very clear with this, and you need to make your mind in an analytical manner, so that it will be very easy for you to get prepared for the examination. Okay, so these are the things that you need to keep in mind. And about my YouTube channel stream is all about the UPSC preparation, and in each and every Wednesday I will post a video on prelims questions with the answers discussion in the same video. So if you have any doubts on that, please put a comment on that video. I will answer with a reply, or else the peers will help you in solving those questions, but I will answer it definitely. Then I will upload a video on the static part of UPSC each and every week, so keep an eye on that. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe stream and also click on the bell icon so that you won't lose any of my videos. And also for more details, visit to our website that is on the description below. And if you want to follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest, the link is also given on the description. Go ahead and like this video, share this video, and comment on your queries in the video's comment section. Comment on your queries, questions, and also your doubts in the particular video. I will answer it. If you post your questions in that, definitely I will answer, and also the peers, that is your colleagues, that is the people that who are watching there, will also make an answer of that. So it will be a community based questions, so you will get a clarity of that particular topic. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe, stream, and thanks for watching, and all the very best for your preparation. Thank you.